Professor Kindiki to make his remarks and subsequently carry on with the rest of the program. Karibu, Professor.
Your Excellency, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, William RUTO, Your Excellency, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, my colleagues from the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, all protocols observed, I take this chance to thank you for having time to speak to us, to motivate us, give us marching orders, and guide us basically as we continue serving our country and serving the administration which you head. Your Excellency, I will not say much except to confirm that the national government administration system is an extremely impactful and consequential system that, well guided, can assist in connecting the work, vision, and agenda of government with the grassroots easily, conveniently, efficiently, and at zero cost. Excellency, these officers and all of us have a very, very rich footprint across the country, and therefore you're talking to us today is going to motivate us to apply that network and that footprint to support your administration and make sure our country is safer and our country is more cohesive. Second and last point, Your Excellency, when the current constitution was enacted, roughly 14 years ago, it envisaged the restructuring of GAO to align with the new constitutional order. Much of that restructuring has happened. Under the National Government Administration Act of 2013, much of the legal alignment has been done. But as the representative of these officers, RC Abdi, has said, we still have a few policy and structural gaps that we need to fill to create more coherence and more impact so that we can be more aligned to the new constitutional order and be more useful to the government of Kenya, who is our employer. And therefore, Your Excellency, we are working with, under your leadership, we are working with these officers and other stakeholders to ensure that the reform process, which you continue to guide us to undertake, is up to date, is constitutional, but aligned to the realities of our country today. And therefore, for us, today is a big day. We feel very honored that you found time to speak to us, and we'll be taking notes so that we know how you expect us to serve this government better, more coherently, and in a manner that respects not only our constitution, but also the people of Kenya, under whose mandate governments are elected. With those many remarks, Your Excellency, permit me to invite the Deputy